Good afternoon, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great one. In today's video, we're going to be doing a price action review of the Magnificent Seven along with the indexes and what will be coming up possibly in the next couple of days. Just going over the major levels. If you guys appreciate this content, please like, subscribe, comment. Also, I have a free Discord in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get into it. So Apple showed a little bit of weakness today. Nothing crazy. I thought about trimming some of my position on Apple. But realistically, I think that most likely is just a healthy pullback. SPX is a little extended. NVIDIA is very extended. The majority of the names, even Meta, is a bit extended as well. So I'm just playing it cautiously at the moment. Really eyeing 194. If 194 fails, you could get some more room to downside. But my plan as of now is just carefully watch everything. I did take some profit on NVIDIA and DEC today. I trimmed those positions back to 10% of my total account. Microsoft, Apple are currently at 26% of my account, and Snow is about 13%. And so Microsoft, the levels I'm watching at least for tomorrow is going to be 407, or no, 406. I'll watch a break of 400.62, get below there, then you get more room down to 394. Microsoft, NVIDIA, a little bit of a weak close, nothing crazy. I mean, we still closed up higher, so I'm happy. But I did take some profit just because I don't like the amount of volume that we got on this sell side candle. So right now NVIDIA is 10% of my account. So what I'm looking for is if this 5 EMA breaks down, then I'll be fully out of NVIDIA. So tomorrow the levels I would watch is I would watch the low of today. So I would be interested to see if we break below 599. So let's call that 600. So if we break below 600 and stay below 600 tomorrow, you definitely have more room for downside. Above 628.49, you can definitely run further up. But as of now, I would just expect consolidation between 600 and 628. Meta didn't do that bad. Still showing weakness overall. Volume is not too heavy on the breakout, so I'm not buying it. And I think, in my opinion, I think Meta's extended like most of the Mag 7. Tesla, as we all know, we got earnings today. Let's see if they got released. And they did. It does not look good. Or whatever the hell is going on. I don't know. But all I know is it's at 198. Looks like it's kind of fluctuating. But a lot can happen between now and the morning. So just keep that in mind. This might just be an overreaction. But that's at least what's happening on Tesla. But in terms of levels, if we open around 194 tomorrow, then I would look for, because last time this was a bounce and it led to a lot of upside, I'd watch a bounce off this 194 level. If you can hold that, then you have a potential to keep on pushing up. But I'd wait for the weekly close on Tesla before getting in personally. Google, not looking too bad. Still showing some weakness. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm staying away from it at the moment until after earnings. Above 151.55, I might be interested. Below 147.50, I would say bearish. Overall, it's not giving a clear signal, at least in my opinion. SPX didn't get a bad close. Looks like it was trying to make a run for the gap fill. As you can see here, we basically came down to the level. Just barely missed it. Overall, not a bad close. Obviously, I was expecting some resistance at 4,900. No shock there. Amazon just barely rejected 157. It's not clear enough to say whether it's bullish or bearish. As of now, I would just, I don't know, with Amazon. Personally, I'm just watching 150. I would watch the high and low of today. So on the high, I would watch 158.51. Low is 156.48. Until you break that range, probably going to get consolidation. NASDAQ, it closed mostly higher, but at the same time, it looks like it wants to go for that gap fill, especially with Tesla. If it continues to dump tomorrow, I believe the NASDAQ could push down to 15.4, or it could possibly go even lower. But it might go for the gap fill and proceed higher in the next couple of days. But I think Tesla's going to weigh down a lot. Let's see. So the stocks I'm holding at the moment is, so far I got NVIDIA, we'll go to the aftermarket view. So NVIDIA I got. Still, until you break down the 5 EMA, Microsoft still got them. It looks like that we're just maintaining. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yeah, it looks like we're starting to melt down in the aftermarket deck. As you guys know, I got that. I trimmed some of my position there. Apple still melting down aftermarket. Just gotta be really careful. If we get a big dump tomorrow, I might consider selling the majority of my position. Snow. The big level I'm watching tomorrow is gonna be 200. If we get below 200, I'll be out of there. But that's what I'm gonna be watching for tomorrow, guys. And